Only if that was the weather for this week. Alrighty, boys. We are going to be showing you guys the farm. Well, not really. We're just gonna drive around the farm here, and then we are trying. This is the farm here. We got the main shop there. It's got a couple of tractors right now, but most of the tractors and everything. Corn harvest, that's just a cold storage area. We got two Quonsets here. One's got the header and the planter in it. This one here's got the anhydrous and hydrous and anhydrous toolbar. There's a chicken coop, and then there is the other cold storage barn, and then there's the cedar. Out back we got the disc and ripper. So I'll show you guys the map real fast. This is the main farm or main field that the farm's on. I cut this. This is gonna be hay field. We're gonna turn that into a hay field. On this field, this field, this field. We're going to buy this field and this field on those two. So let's get out to the field and start harvesting. Alright, boys, we are pulling up to the field here. We're done got a good bit of it done, probably close to half, if I had to guess. But here's the combine. Hopefully, working away here. I think right here would be good. But this is the Geringhoff 12 row with a S780. Right there, we got a 2018 8R 370 with a chain grain cart. Peterbilt 379 on a don't remember that trailer. Wilson Pacesetters, that's the trailer. Alright, let's get this combine fired up and start rolling. Alright, boys. I might roll y'all guys into a little time lapse and cut here. Because it's a little bit easier for me to edit like that. And then, yeah, so you guys have to get done rolling the time lapse. Get it. Alright guys, so we are finishing up the last pass for this right side of the field here. That's probably gonna be it for today's video for corn harvest. I'm gonna take and ride y'all back to the house and park the truck and everything, and look at that lime spreader. That side of the field's a little wet over there. I don't know how it just rained over there, but it didn't rain over here, it just rained over there. So we are going to take and dump this, and then I'll catch you guys once we get in the truck. Alrighty guys, we are pulling out of the field here, and we are gonna head to the house. The reason why I don't have traffic on this map is because it's got like a bug and they always get caught up like right up in here. But you guys can tell right there, kind of like where I'm looking at, that is our cattle farm. I kind of ran out of money, so we are going to finish that this year once we sell our grain off. But it's not finished yet, so that's why I showed y'all guys it. We're probably going to buy cattle in like January or so, I would guess. But anyways, guys, we're going to pull up here and get to working on the lime spreader. So, yep, we are going to end this one off here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all guys in the next one. Peace.